Welcome everyone. So welcome everyone. So as I say, we are gonna study again. We are gonna do the MCQs. So just now we are gonna find out कि हामीलाई कुन चाहिँ verb को form use गर्नु छ. Like verb have different forms like V1, V2, V3, V4. So त्यो सब हामी कतिखेर कुन बेला कता कुन sentence मा use गर्ने हामी त्यो सिक्छौं. So the first question we have is, I never dash you that I loved her. I only said that I liked her. The options are told, have told, was telling. So यहाँ चाहिँ हामीलाई के हेर्नु पर्छ भने it says I never dash you that I loved her. Loved her like past participle भयो and I only said that I liked her. यहाँ पनि past participle नै देखाएको छ. That means that यो कुरा भइसकेको छ. So we need to use V2 here. अब V2 चाहिँ कुन हो भने have plus V2 no. Was telling, this is like was plus V4. So both of these are eliminated from the options. So the only option we are left with told, and the correct answer is also told. So I never told you that I loved her. I only said that I liked her. Moving on to the next questions that we have. I dashed to Greece until Sally and I went there last summer. Have never been, had never been, was never been. I छ भने we'll use had. So and to Greece, so never being. Our was never being त हुँदैन, have never been नि हुँदैन. So as we use I plus had, so we'll use I had never been to Greece until Sally and I went there last summer. So the next question we have is the third one. By the time I'm 50. अब यसमा चाहिँ के भनेको छ भने जतिखेरसम्म उ 50 हुन्छ, which is like future मा. I dash $1 million will make, would make, will have made. So what he wants to tell here is that by the time I'm 50, उसले चाहिँ बनाइसकेको हुन्छ. So future मा he has already done it. So we will make it will have made. By the time I'm 50, I will have made $1 million. Next question. I want dash the exercises for advanced students. I want to try. I want try. I want to have tried the exercises. यो चाहिँ future मा भइसकेको भयो. यो चाहिँ मात्र try भनेको भयो. यो चाहिँ उले गर्न मन लागेछ. So that is the thing. I want to try the exercise for advanced students. Now the next question we have is, hey, you dash at the computer all day. You should really take a break. यसमा चाहिँ के भनेको छ भने उ कम्प्युटरमा बसिरहेको छ. Hey, you were sitting at the computer all day. You should really take a break. Did sit at the computer all day. You should really take a break. Or have been sitting at the computer all day. As we can see here, यहाँ clearly भनेको छ you computer ma you've been sitting like all day. You should really take a rest. So the correct answer will be you have been sitting at the computer. You should really take a break. And now we'll move on to another question. So the next question that we have is, he claimed that he had never seen that man, but I know that he did, he had, he was. यहाँ चाहिँ हामीले के हेर्नु पर्छ भने he claimed that he had. यता चाहिँ had use भइरहेछ. So we will use it again here. So he claimed that he had never seen that man, but I know that he had. The next question, what dash to her about last night? Have you spoken? You spoke? Did you spoke? What? तिमीले चाहिँ उलाई के भन्यौ? के भन्यौ छ भने भन्यौ is like भूतकालको भइसकेको कुरा. So we will use you spoke. Then what have you been doing all day? Dash. Watch, watching, have watched. यहाँ चाहिँ सोधिरहेछ what have you been doing? Been plus before all day. So अब यहाँ के हुन्छ भने के गरिरहेको थियौ र what was continuously running in that time. So for that we use before, which is watching. The next question. She dashed lunch when someone rang the doorbell. Was preparing, prepared, has been preparing. Has been preparing the first में eliminate हुन्छ, it cannot be here. Prepared. She dashed prepared lunch when someone rang the bell. अब rang the doorbell मा भनिरहेछ कि उले के गर्दै थियो त जतिखेर यो डोरबेल बज्यो के गर्दै थियो is basically before. So we use she was preparing. The next question we have, she never dash when someone leaves her a message. Has called back, calls back, will call back. She never when someone leaves चाहिँ past मा भयो, so we call back त हुनै सक्दैन. Now we have like has called back, calls back. So what do we use here? She never dash when someone leaves her a message. She has called हुँदैन. She never calls. So it will be she never calls back when someone leaves her a message. That's it for this MCQ as well. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.